Amsterdam for us is it's the vibrant heart of Holland. It's where everything happens. It's always busy. It's such an international community.
I love coffee. I can't speak for anybody else. It's something that if you really want to do, then there's no other job quite like it.
We chose Giesen because Giesen is like the #1 coffee roaster builder in the world.
What I really like about Giesen is it's a really well-built machine and you have many different models. And for a business that's scaling, you can start with a small model and you can upgrade as your business scales.
Why do I love coffee? Well, my coffee journey started quite a long time ago. So I've been working in coffee for maybe the last 15 years.
It's almost like a Volvo. It always starts. There's never ever a problem.
And that's when I bought my first Sony, my first Giesen. I will never sell it. It will always be with me for the rest of my life.